As of now, I can only tell you that an FIR has been registered under UAPA, Explosives Act and Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita. Investigation has been taken up and there are many specialized teams of Delhi Police, FSL, NSG also here on the scene of crime and they are lifting evidences possible to help in the investigation.
So what was the route of the vehicle? Because some people are saying
no, we are doing investigation on it. अभी investigation बहुत ही preliminary stages के ऊपर है. Anything, any comment on that will be too premature and अभी जब तक coherent पूरी चीजें sequence of events क्या है सब कुछ लिंक नहीं होता तब तक कुछ भी कहा जाना मुश्किल है.
Have you identified the driver of the vehicle who was seen?
It is still ongoing. It is the investigation is undergoing.
Has the body been identified? That body?
The investigation is undergoing. There are many bodies there, and postmortems are also being getting conducted at LNJP. 5 postmortems have already been done. So we are in the process of identifying some of them, and there are other people also who are getting treatments. So as of now, what body and or anything related to that is still.
Do you have unidentified bodies also?
Yes, there are one or two bodies, but yes, we have already identified 6 bodies. They have been post-mortem has been done on 5.
So you're confirming there are 2 bodies which are identified. Have any family members come and?
No, that is that is also preliminary because there are body parts also. So that has to be joined and that has to be logically connected with it. है उनको लिफ्ट किया जा रहा है. एज ऑफ नाउ इन्वेस्टिगेशन चल रही है और अभी कुछ भी कंक्लूसिवली कहना ठीक नहीं होगा. सर, एज आई टोल्ड यू द इन्वेस्टिगेशन इज गोइंग ऑन एंड वी कैन नॉट कंक्लूसिवली कमेंट अपॉन एनीथिंग. वंस वी हैव द फैक्ट्स, हार्ड फैक्ट्स इन हैंड, देन ओनली वी विल बी एबल टू टेल.
गाड़ी जो बदरपुर से
FSL is doing the same thing only. They are lifting the traces of explosives and based on their testing they will be able to conclusively tell.
How long does that process take usually?
Just now we were talking to them, maybe 1 or 2 days they will expediting the process and maybe they will be able to tell us in a day or 2.
Do you believe that there are others who may be involved in this who have gotten out?
As I told you that it is investigation is ongoing and the facts are unfolding and new things are coming up. So as of now it will be premature to conclude anything.
Was there any shrapnel which was found at all on the location?
Not as of now, but still we are examining the scene of crime.
And in terms of the metro and operations, borders being sealed, what can you share with us?
No, as of now I cannot share anything about that. We are deciding upon it and then we will take a call.